if I just zoom in, let's do a little higher magnification.
So then that big looking resting over there,
Kind of similar to what I did before, where I'm going to do an HDR depth
It does all the
composition.
things like the proof flow test.
Go ahead and run that.
Pencil.
Get everything nice and fully in focus.
Down there, what would it be? Ice. There's no ice down there. There's high pressure, so maybe that might have. Good.
I did it, John. All right. And
Hold on. Are we ready?
no way. All right.
Alright, why don't you let him have it?
Now, is it just smack and releases or with pressure? Okay. What's the best spot?
You're fine right
Right here. Right?
Wait.
And that's what we gotta be? 120 after that? That's called a hero. Okay.
Iron hole.
Iron hole. Take a step back. Take your leg out.
Iron hole.
Iron hole.